Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalinakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel Smart Index Edge. In continuation of rewiring our trading brain, the morning walk that changed my trading mindset. Today morning, something different happened during my walk. Usually, when I go for a walk, my body is walking, but my mind is inside the stock market. Charts, levels, trades, profits, losses. I was not really walking. I was just carrying my thoughts along the road. But today, I made a small decision. I told myself, let me, let me drop these market thoughts for some time and just observe what is around me. And suddenly, I started hearing something I had never noticed before. The continuous humming of insects, different sounds of birds talking to each other, even the distant call of an owl, nature was always speaking. Only I was not listening. Because I was busy listening to my thoughts. Then a realization came to me. Look at these birds. They communicate with each other constantly. They respond instantly. But we humans, lost. God has given us the most advanced brain. Yet, instead of communicating clearly, we remain trapped inside our own thoughts and emotions. Slowly, we stop responding to life, and unknowingly, we make our thinking inactive, almost silent from outside, but noisy inside. A trader keeps thinking silently, what if I lose? What if I enter wrong? Oh, market is confusing today because market has gapped up 590 points. I missed the move again. These thoughts keep running continuously, but the trader never speaks them out, never writes them out, never questions them. And because of that, he never changes them. This is where brain rewiring starts. Step one is to recognize. Recognition happens only when thoughts come outside. Either speak your thoughts loudly, or write them down on paper, or say them while looking at your charts. Because the moment thoughts come outside, they become visible. But what becomes visible can be changed. Yes, make it visible. Start seeing your thoughts. Then you can change them. Step two is reframe. Instead of saying, I am confused because market is gap up, I missed the trade, I am confused. Instead of say, I am learning structure. Instead of saying, I missed the trade, say, I protected my capital. Instead of saying, I'm scared, say, I am becoming disciplined. This is reframing. You are not changing the market, you are changing your relationship with the market. Step three is replace. Replace fear with preparation, replace confusion with structure, replace hesitation with rules, replace emotional trading with a precision system. This is how a trader slowly becomes confident, not overnight, friends, but step by step, thought by thought, trade by trade. Today morning, nature reminded me something very important. When we start observing the outside world clearly, we also start observing our inner world clearly. And the moment we observe clearly, our brain starts rewiring automatically. When you start observing your thoughts, and when you observing not only by seeing your thoughts, you have to see your thoughts. Then it becomes a powerful lesson for trading session psychology. Yes, it becomes a powerful lesson for trading psychology. A silent walk became a powerful lesson for me. Sometimes the market teaches through charts, sometimes life teaches through words, and the trader who learns from both grows faster than everyone else. In this, why I'm talking all these things is you need to do that. And I have created an indicator that is Nalini Precision Engine, which takes care of psychology. I've introduced another feature into this Nalini Precision Engine. Many traders, professionals come on YouTube and they say, don't trade in the first hour. Do we listen? Even if I create the very good, precise indicator, do you listen? The people who have bought the indicator, they are not following the rules. They don't listen. For that, what I did is I added another feature in this indicator. Let me show it you what is the feature in this. Let it load. Let it load and I'll take you to this. Let me, come back to this and apply. See, I asked you people not to trade in the morning session. Let me go to the indices, our Nifty 50 indices, whatever it is, whether you are trading on the indices or the stocks, not to many, even the professionals comes and trades opening well, you should not trade. Why? For that, what I noticed is volatility will be very less. You see over here, I added the measurement of this box. This is the complete box of pivot, resistance, R1, R2, S1, S2 in the first hour. See the volatility. And I added this feature, measurement of this box, and see how slowly, even on the second hour, pattern change. Yesterday, because of the expiry, even on the second hour, the volatility compressed. And later, this compression continued only. It was so like a roller coaster ride on expiry day, but the volatility compressed only in the fourth hour. Between 1 and after it started beginning with 12:45, it continued, and you can see the compression of this pivot box. So automatically it is giving you measurement of compression. Then market became calm and see the movement so beautifully. People doesn't wait for this. This is the thing. Compression, volatility has to subside. That's why it was a very, very choppy market on yesterday. That is during, expiry day, yesterday expiry day, the calmness resulted in the up move. So for that, I've added this new feature, that is measurement of the pivot boxes. These measurement of the pivot boxes and the compression of these boxes will suggest you market is becoming calm. So you also need to become calm. You also need to enter into the calm market, not in a volatile, choppy market. So even after telling repeatedly, it will not go into our head. Many people come and tell, do not trade in the opening bell or anything. See, sometimes it takes time for volatility to subside. Even if you are disturbed, it takes time for your mind to calm down. Same way, the market is also like that. You can relate for everything in your life. Same way, it needs, so that is time is the factor. So when you enter with the time, proper time, then success will be yours. When it is calm, you need to do work. When your mind is calm, when your mind is, what is happening today because of the ceasefire of war news, the market Nifty has gapped up 591 points. No, you refrain yourself from trading. Wait for the market to calm down. It is a huge volatility. Let it calm down and wait for that. And my indicator will tell you when to enter into the market precisely. So that's why I made this video. You people need to change your trading psychology by observing your thoughts. Observing your thoughts, and not only observing, you need to see your thoughts. When you start seeing your thoughts, then you can reframe them. Thank you very much, friends. Narnakshi Swami signing off.